Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is Prime Stocks Ultra. So what is the meaning of this product? Actually, this is Prime Stocks Ultra review and we will know what is inside this and how this product will help you in your online journey. So this is Prime Stocks Ultra and these things you are going to get inside this. So this is brand new searchable and browsable cloud-based platform with this feature which you already watching right now. So 10 million plus premium royalty free HD plus 4K stock videos, images, vectors, animation, GIFs, audio stack, and more things. So what you have to do, you actually just here's the member access area. Let me show you. Even if you have any doubt, you can just come on this page, which is main important page. So when you will come here, here is the member access area, which you can see right now. So whatever you will search here, for example, I search about couple. So this type of images will come in front of you. You don't need to load each and everything. You don't need to save each and everything. You can just go ahead for whatever you want. Okay, so for example, just for an example, so I'm just okay, so if you put whatever, you will get all time copyright free special high HD ultra type of the images, videos, whatever you will choose. Okay, so right now I am chosen this one HD images, so that is why this is coming. So if I will go for GIFs, so you will get that type of the images. Okay, so your hard work will reduce. Okay, your so much energy will reduce and directly you can just use all these things for your business. So that's how you will see directly you are able to watching right now. So this type of the GIFs will be in front of you, so you can just use anywhere. Okay, you can just use all these things for your advertisement. You can use, actually this is example. Okay, whatever you want, you can just choose. You can just put your product name and you can just go ahead with that. So you can use this for your advertising, for your promotion, for your selling product. For example, your product is wedding arc. Just for an example, okay, let me see it is coming or not, because I selected. Okay, it is coming. See, uh, this is the proper images. Okay, this is GIF actually. So you can just choose this one and you can just go for this one HD images. Okay, so what will happen? You can just combine some bundle. You can just make some good combination and you can just run your advertisement. You can do offline promotion also, and some online promotion also, organic marketing also you can do. And in your journey, this type of the things always push you to go ahead to take your business to the next level. This all things always push you for that. So that type of the things you are going to get. Okay, so just for an example, okay, this is for an example e-commerce. I will show you my bonuses, guys. Even if you have any doubt, you can just click any green button on the page. You will redirect here on the main page, which is main page here, and here you will get ultra type of the in-depth information about the product. So when you will come down, you will start clearing your old doubts. So Prime Stock has everything you need. You can just watch right now. So 1 million plus HD premium stock videos, 10,000 plus 20K high quality vectors, 3 million, each and everything, guys. Okay, I'm not able to read each and everything. You can watch right now. So just come on this page through the link below. You can just watch right now. Okay, so you will know, you will get the knowledge about what you are going to get inside the product. Okay, so all these things are available which you can use for your own business. For you can just provide some services also. Okay, if you know how to convert your things into the service provider, then you will always rock in service providing business. Okay, guys, so all these things you can do. Okay, now you can just watch some demos also. So much information, guys. Just you have to just come through the link below. Okay, this is, and here you can see little bit demo. This is little demo. Okay, one demo you are already watching here, which I'm already showing you. Okay, so what you can do, just come on this page. Here is one more demo. Okay, guys, one more demo. You can just click here and you can just go with this. Main thing is this, guys. Okay, so what you can do, there are so much demos, guys. These are not only single demo, so much demos. So you have to just use this. These are some HD videos. You can use all these things for your promotion. If your things are connecting with these videos, just directly pick it up and just start using. That's how, guys, your time will save, your energy, your hard work will reduce. Okay, and your actually saving time, saved time you can use for another. Okay, for another work. So that's how you can just download this type of the images. Okay, so here are all copyright free images you can just use for your own purpose. Okay, whatever you want. So any type of the images you can choose. Actually, this all things will be so much image useful. This all things are GIFs which you are watching right now. Okay, so that's how you have to play the game with your business, guys. Okay, and always this product will help you to move on to the next level. So some of my bonuses I will show you. I already shown you my demo. Okay, just come here. For example, this is icon. So if I click here, so icon, for example, if I will go for e-commerce, because generally people are creating websites for selling something. So this type of icon you can use. Okay, this is very good. And again, you can, if you don't loving this one also, just you can just load more by clicking on this button. So when you will click, you will get more ideas. Okay, so you have to just select anyone. Even if you're not going to choose this one, just again load more, and you will keep getting new ideas all time. Okay, guys, so you have to just select and just go ahead. Okay, guys, illustrations, stickers, image videos, motion background, guys, always it will capture your attention, not your attention, your visitors attentions. Okay, so this is motion background. Let me show you what is inside this, and later we will just go ahead. You can see here this type of background you can see. So I'm not going to download because it will too much high quality. Also it will take time. You can see here. Okay, whatever you want you can just use wherever you want. You can load more. Just see which product is going to fit in this background motion, and just go ahead. Okay, guys, so I'm done from my side. Some of my bonuses, which is bonus number 1, point rank 2.0. So guys, too much special bonuses this time you cannot even imagine. So this is point rank 2.0, and this is the unshakable super affiliate, guys. These two products are too much powerful. Third one is so much special, guys. Divine commission. People are still selling this. Audience are still buying this, guys. Okay, I already kept timer. Now it's your choice what you have to do, guys. Okay, so these three bonuses are so much special. You can just cross check about all these three bonuses on YouTube, on Google, wherever you want. Okay, because I know the power of all these bonuses, and Prime Stock Ultra you are already getting to use in your business. Okay, so this complete bundle always take your journey to the next level. That's the thing you need to understand, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side, guys. We will meet another time with another masterpiece. Till then, bye, guys.